Sierra.
Sierra.
Who's that?
Smile at the camera, huh?
Is she smiling?
Yeah, there we go. That's funny, huh?
That's funny.
That's funny.
That's funny, huh?
Mhm.
Yeah. Want to show your pretty bracelet to the camera? No? Look at that pretty bracelet, huh? Oh, that's pretty, huh? Okay.
Movie star.
Big gun. Who's gonna get you? Who's gonna get you? Who's gonna get you? Who's gonna get you?
Oh.
Is she pooping?
She might
Well, she
be.
sits on my lap.
She
She
might
has-
be, huh?
Look. Who's that? Sarah. Who's that? Who's that? Maybe she's going potty. Do you know who Mama is? Here, look.
Are you looking
at? Are you looking at me? Do you want your picture taken? Okay, Sarah.
Good smile.
Sarah. Hi. Sarah. Hi. What you doing?
She's like, what are you guys doing today?
Sarah. I don't know what you doing. What? Hello. What was that?
Oh
Now
my
you're gonna
gosh.
smile because you like that, huh?
You like the flash.
You like the flash. It confuses you, but then you like it, huh?
Get your nose.
Yes.
You want to get your nose?
Check a pose.
Oh,
Huh?
that was not a smile.
Stop. Huh? Say stop.
The baby. Should we kick you? No.
May I say bye-bye to Uncle Joe? You wave
Oh, she's
bye-bye.
flipping you off. Don't do that. That's bad.
Yeah, that's really bad. Your mom never does that.
No.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You come see me soon, huh? Or I come see you, huh?
Bye bye.
She's like, what's going on?
What? That just saw so funny. What is going on?
She's like, I don't know. You need to figure that out, don't you? But you could go see Daddy.
You're gonna get Barney? You're gonna give me kisses?
No. No. But I got a view. Huh? Who's that? Who's that? That's you, huh? Brand new baby. Huh? Tell a story. Tell
Come
me
on,
a story.
Talk. Talk to Barney.
No? You
No.
say bye-bye to Uncle Joe? You say bye-bye?
A little bit, huh?
Say bye-bye.
Look at your toes. Get them.
Good one, huh? Gizmo's getting jealous.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Can you say Jen? That should be your first word, huh? Jen.
Oh. Oh.
Jen. Oh.
She's like, I'm not gonna talk anymore. Oh, there we go.
Uh-huh.
Are you gonna talk to the kitties? Talk to the kitties.
No? Who just touched me? Oh, nobody. You said bye-bye.
Hi, she's done talking.
Bye, Christina.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Say
Bye-bye.
bye,
Bye.
Sarah.
Bye bye.
Bye.
She's like, whatever. What are you doing?
She's gonna think she's a movie star now.
I know.
She's gonna think she's gonna, what do you want to be when you grow up?